Facts about the brain and mental health. Number 4. The brain behind Rain Man, a story of extraordinary wiring. Now, you may remember the movie Rain Man. He won an Oscar for Best Picture. Tom Cruise discovers he has a brother, played by Dustin Hoffman, who is autistic and has incredible recall, what's known as a savant. Now, that character was inspired by a real person called Kim Peek. Peek was a true mega savant. He memorized 12,000 books and every road in the United States. When he died, scientists examined his brain and they found something remarkable. The corpus callosum, the collection of white matter tracks that connects the two sides of the brain together, was missing. But those connections hadn't vanished completely, they'd just taken a different route. Instead of connecting the two hemispheres of the brain together, they'd taken their own routes, creating neural networks that gave him these extraordinary abilities. It's a powerful reminder that the brain is capable of incredible adaptation in some ways that we're only now beginning to start to understand. And it's this adaptability that we tap into with neurofeedback. We know we rewire the brain. There are studies showing how the grey matter gets bigger and the white matter tracks get longer. Maybe one day we'll be able to rewire your brain to give you mega recall like Rain Man.